Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video showing you guys something that I've been working on behind the scenes. This is just kind of an addition onto what I was talking about yesterday. You guys know how I'm taking various different passive income, I don't want to say passive income, but new income sources a little bit more seriously, and I'm diversifying my approach and I'm doing things different than what I used to. And just to show you guys an example of how I kind of had this whole entire spiel about how AI is taking over. And this is something that I would have normally hired somebody for. I mentioned how I used to hire people from the Philippines. I spend $400 to $500 a month per person. And I would hire these people and they would work part-time for me and their job would be relatively easy. But this is a perfect example of something that I would normally hire somebody for that I wouldn't anymore. Now, this is not a software tool that you could go out and buy in public. This is just something that I built for myself, something relatively quickly. And I want to show you a quick example of what that is. If you guys are familiar, there's this YouTuber. His name is Iman Gadzhi. Let me kind of pull him up here. Iman Gadzhi. All right. And this guy right here, I mean, whether you like him or hate him, that has nothing to do with me. But this guy right here, his editing, whoever edits for him is a phenomenal editor. Part of the reason why he has so much success on YouTube is because he edits videos so very well. And there's these animations that occur while the video is being edited. You might have seen some of those animations on my channel when I'm editing my videos, which, by the way, I'm not an expert in whatsoever. Like, if we go to Autopilot Passive Income on YouTube, let's go ahead and pull it up. I'll show you which videos I'm talking about, where I'm starting to learn new tricks, new tactics of editing, and having that skill. And you could look here, like this video had some edits. This video maybe had some edits, things like that. So this tool I created where it effectively helps me create some of these clips that I talked about. So let me show you what I mean here. So you see this clip right here? Let me zoom out as this is going. Now this looks like some sort of video clip, but it's not. Okay, this is a clip that software tool created for me, right? Imagine I'm talking in a video and I'm telling people how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month or something like that. You could see this is an example of a clip that you can include in a video. Now, I'm trying to perfect my craft, trying to get better at becoming a YouTuber, right? And I have other channels that I'm wanting to build, and I want to take YouTube seriously. I want to get good at it. So who do I look to? I look to the experts in the game, the guys who are doing the best job. Iman is one of them. So this tool does exactly that for me. It creates for me different kinds of scenes, clips, if you will. So I can tell it, for example, to create for me, or not even create for me, because there's no reason for me to type that, but let's just say black background with golden sparks for animation movie. Okay, something pretty basic, and we'll hit generate. And I clearly didn't type this up properly, but the system will kind of understand. And with a period of time, this tool will literally create a scene like that for me. Now, I'll be able to edit it if I really want to and improve on it. But this is just, like I said, a perfect example of that. And I'm just going to go ahead and pause the screen until this thing is finished. It could take an extra second or two. All right, so this is what it came up with. Now, the nice thing about this is there's a lot of stuff here that I really don't want. Like, for example, this text right here, I could delete this text. We definitely selected it here somewhere, so here it is. And I'll just go ahead and delete this as an example. And I'll start to delete things that I don't necessarily need. I can always create more. Maybe let's just say I wanted the background as a scene, right? So I would take something like this, click on this text here. I would locate its location, right? It's automatically highlighted for me. And I might just go ahead and delete this kind of section here with just all this text, assuming I don't want it. And, I could go like right here, for example, and select this word here and delete it. The point is, this is not a good example of a video that is created for me. I probably, wouldn't necessarily want these, but this is just an example. right? Let's just say I want to create a graph with bars, so a bar graph with blue bars and white background. Bars are moving up and down, okay, to simulate movement and change, something like that. And let me just remove text here from this idea, hit generate, and then we wait for an output. Now, this is not perfect. In no way am I trying to say this is a perfect tool, but what I am trying to put across a message here is this continuing idea that AI is coming. And if I am a person who used to hire many people to help me out on a day-to-day basis working, and you guys know that I have, but I am cutting down to such a dramatic point, or I have cut down to such a dramatic point, to where AI pretty much is my new employee. All I have to do is create an AI system. The reality is your job, your opportunities, it's going to be taken away from you. And you can see here a live example of this beautiful video graphic. This could be perfectly used for a video. You know, it absolutely can. And in fact, I'll export this. I'll download it. But you see my point here is that these are infrastructures. These are tools that are not human. And they're doing a phenomenal job. They don't complain. They don't backtalk. They don't ask for extra money. They just get the job done. And it's not that I have issues with hiring people. I don't. I've done it for years. It's that companies do. And companies always want to figure out, how can we make more money? And the truth is that people, regular people, are on a chopping block 24/7, 365. There is no loyalty to you as an employee. The world is not what it used to be. I remember back in the day, there were movies of like the old man who devoted his life to a company, worked 30 years at the company. When he retired, he would have a pension, he would have a Rolex, he would have an accommodation, he would have all kinds of parties, and people truly respected that person for committing to a company. That doesn't exist anymore. You know, we live in a different kind of economy, and whether you like it or not, obviously, that's not the scenario for everyone, but if we look at the majority of people in the world today, especially in the United States, or at least the Western countries, from Canada to United States to, you know, the United Kingdom or England, all these kind of countries, it's kind of similar. It's kind of like a economy where it's broadly similar, where people are struggling financially. People don't have as much money, or as much buying power as they used to. Inflation has risen, and on top of that, life has become more difficult. You know, the small things in life, from relationships, person to person, to crime, to all kinds of things, have become more difficult. This is aside from just the money aspect of things. So why do I make this channel? This channel is called Autopilot Passive Income, where I decided to start teaching people how to generate some sort of passive income, whether it be from Redbubble, TeePublic, through Instagram. Instagram was really where I started talking about, you know, how to make money off of Instagram. And, you know, people took some of that advice. And I hope that people are becoming financially free, or at least on the path. But I truly enjoy making these YouTube videos because it's cool. And this channel will continue to teach people how to generate various sources of income, whether it be passive or active. And yeah, I'm just sharing some of my thoughts. If you guys have questions, you want to see something that I'm doing behind the scenes, I think in the last two videos, this one and the one before, I kind of shared a lot about that. But if you want to see more, let me know. If you want to learn more, let me know as well. I have a members area called Passive Income School, where we're teaching more than just stock photography or print on demand. We're teaching many different kinds of skills, and it's a place where I could truly share more information behind the scenes. And if you have any questions, you want to join that, go ahead. I'll leave the link in the description. I'm not trying to promote it, not trying to really push it as hard as possible. Obviously, I'll be mentioning it in every video, but it's not something that's top of the mind. If you're not ready to join, trust me, don't push yourself. But what we're doing is I'm trying to push everybody in a direction to find some sort of passive income approach. I don't want to say passive income approach because some people get triggered when I say that. some sort of income that you can make where you're not necessarily always having to trade your time for money, and make some money off of that. And once you get going, get good on that, try something else, and diversify. Make as much money as you can, because the future is not looking bright. I'm just going to keep it honest. There's a lot of negativity coming our way, from AI to just a whole host of other issues that I can't really talk about here, because I don't feel like my channel, I don't want to get it taken down. But the point is that you're going to need to make more money soon. I think this is very clear. I don't think I have to keep iterating that. And you have to get serious about it. And me showing you guys the different tools that I'm creating behind the scenes, what I'm doing behind the scenes, is just another way to get you guys motivated to do something, to get active, to be serious about what you want to do, because we're sitting in a position now where it's not time to play games. It's not time to pick and choose and say, oh, I'm not sure about this or I'm not sure about that. You have to go all in on something, because the clock is ticking, and this time is not infinite. There's going to be something that's going to replace every opportunity that you once had. There is something that's coming to replace it. And yes, there might be new opportunities in the future, but the truth is they're going to be a lot less than what they used to be. All right, so I'm not going to keep ranting on. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.